vibrations, it's LaLa here, your high vibe coach. And today I am feeling Amaria y Anaranjada, two supercharged nutrient-packed juices that are going to transform the way you feel all day long. Yellow and orange. We are making juice that will not only taste incredible, but are designed to supercharge your immune system, give you tons of energy, and leave you glowing inside and out. If you've been feeling low on energy, sluggish, or like your body needs a reset, you're in the right place. I'm sharing two Powerhouse recipes: a golden yellow power juice and a tropical orange detox juice packed with nature's best ingredients. Your body will thank you for it. Grab your juicer, get ready to hit that refresh button
and that like button.
Let's talk about this gorgeous yellow power juice. It isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Vibrant. To get started, we're using half a pineapple. It's not just sweet. Pineapples are loaded with vitamin C, which is perfect for boosting your immunity. Delicious digestive powerhouse. It's going to get your gut back in order. Half a lemon is a bright citrusy. Wake up your taste buds. Vitamin C. Plus, lemons are amazing for supporting healthy skin, so you'll be glowing from the inside out. This juice glows. It's going to make you glow. What goes in must come out. Let's add some ginger next. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it also works wonders for your digestive system. I know you know it helps soothe nausea, even help reduce bloating. I just love the kick that ginger gives to the juice. Ditch those energy drinks and put some ginger in your juice. Last but not least, I'm giving you exotic ingredient. I know it's unexpected. Healthy vision and glowing skin, beta carotene, vitamin C. You're getting beauty and health in every sip of this juice. Are you a yellow bell pepper fan? Do you snack on the yellow bell peppers? I am a fan of yellow bell peppers. Look at that color. Let's move on to our next vibrant juice. The orange detox juice. If you've been looking for a way to reset your body and feel lighter, this juice is for you. We're starting with 3 sweet, juicy carrots. Great for eye health, packed with beta carotene. Carrots, detox. Turmeric, secret ingredient. Not only does it make it look more vibrant, but turmeric is a champion when it comes to reducing inflammation in the body. And we talked about foods that cause inflammation. If you are familiar with those potato chips and French fries, fast foods, curcumin-packed turmeric. I asked you what your favorite fruit was, and a lot of you guys responded mangoes. This is going to keep things moving in the gut. Did you know mangoes are great for digestion? Yes, they are rich in fiber. Half a lemon, they flush out the toxins and give your body an alkaline boost. It is perfect when you're looking to feel your best. Squeeze some lemon in your water, squeeze some lemon in your juice. My homeboy bought me this huge bag of oranges and I am going to use it, okay? This is one of my favorite fruits for juicing. Oranges are bursting with vitamin C. They're also great for hydration, packed with water and electrolytes. The best water is in fruit. Oranges are great for squeezing. They produce a lot of juice. Now, to make this juice even more amazing, I'm adding sweet potato. How many of you have juiced with sweet potatoes before? How many of you are going to try this now? Throw all of these into the juicer and watch them turn into this vibrant, detoxifying liquid gold. Look at that beautiful orange hue. You can already feel how nourishing and hydrating this juice is. All right, high vibrations, we've just created 2 incredible nutrient-packed juices that are going to fuel your body and leave you glowing. If you love these recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our high vibe community. If you're ready to take your health journey to the next level, check out my 7-day detox challenge. You'll find all the juicy details and
Free guide
over on my site. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and keep juicing.